Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to unlock FRP Google Lock in MOTO E14. So we need to remove the back cover, and there we have this point. Just short it and connect the USB cable. Now go to the unlock tool and there choose the Separator. There we have SPRD generic. Tiger T606. Erase FRP. Now short the test point and connect the USB cable. Everything done. So now test the phone. There is no lock anymore. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please write below in comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and until the next time.